the Norse locks for you so you can see how they work. They're basically these lock mechanisms that have hooks and then receiving hardware and another panel, and together they lock things together in a simple manner. So here's how. This is a project we're working on. It has the counter has a big giant tower. So I got a lightweight panel that I'm going to set on top. This would obviously be, it'll be finished in the end. And I just take the Norse lock key and I lock it into place. And there's two of them on here. And now I have a structure that's all together. So this is how your tower is really going to be built, with a series of whatever size thin panels they become and the little locks. That's it.